guys, in this quick tutorial I want to show you that how to fix error code 0x8003001F in the Sons of the Forest. So I will show you the 5 methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. So in our first method, you need to update the graphic drivers. For this you have to just open your run box by pressing Window plus R at once, and here search for the devmgmt.msc and then press OK. So at this interface you have to just click on the display adapter and expand it, and then right click on this option here and then click on the update driver. Doing so, you have to just select for the first option, search automatically for drivers, and then let it to searching for the driver, and here you have to just click on search for updated driver on Windows Update if available in your PC or system. I just show you the shortcut method to update your graphic drivers. For this you have to just open your Chrome browser or any browser that you are using, and then search here for the Intel driver and then hit the enter. Doing so, you will find a lot of the websites, but you have to just open this one, Intel driver and the support assistant. Doing so, you will find just a step of the interface. You have to just click on the download now, and after downloading it will start automatically to update your graphic driver, and doing so hopefully your problem will be fixed by restarting your game. And moving to the next method, you have to just open your command prompt and then you have to just run it as an administrator. So basically we have to just remove the Windows scripted file that causing this error in our game. So now after opening the command prompt as an administrator, you have to just put here a specific command, which is sfc /scan now in one word, and then hit the enter. And after a while you have to just again hit the enter, and doing so you can see that this process will take some time. And after this you have to just again hit the enter, and now you can see that beginning verification phase of the system scan, and it will start, and you have to just permit it to complete it to the 100%, and this process may take about 20 to 25 minutes. So you have to be patient and wait for this completion. And after completing this process you have to just restart your PC one time, and after restarting your PC or console your problem may be fixed by restarting your game. Now moving to the third method, you have to just open the Steam library, and basically you have to just verify the integrity of the game files. For this, search for your game, right click on it and then click on the properties, and now the step of the interface will open for you. You have to just click on verify integrity of the game files. Doing so, you have to just restart your game and your problem will be fixed. And the next method is that you have to just check that if any update is available for your game, then you have to just update it. If this process also not work for you, then you have to just uninstall your game and reinstall it with a stable internet connection. Doing so, hopefully your problem will be fixed. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So that's all for this video. Leave a like and a comment for this video, and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide.